Man, I missed it.
What?
That video that he just took.
Wait, no! He's saying it!
Mikey. Hey, Mikey.
With the lights, guys.
Where?
They're mostly in here. Where? Alright, let's give this a minute and see if the candles actually light a different color. Oh, they do! No, no! Who blew them? Benny, wait! Oh, and wait, guys! We have to sing happy birthday first.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Mikey.
birthday, Mikey.
to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Blowing them out.
Mikey, stand up on your chair and blow.
I blew them all out.
All right, ready?
All of them,
Stand up,
Mikey.
Mikey.
Mikey, stand up.
Stand up, buddy.
Stand up, Mikey. Blow them all.
Watch Finney's nose.
Watch Finney's nose. Blow them, Mikey. More. Blow them out, Mikey. There you go. More. Do another one. Good job, Mikey. You want me to do again?
One more time.
Again?
He can't stand the music.
I know.
I won't
He
sing.
was okay before you came in.
Oh, thanks.
Again. Mikey, again. Blow them.
No.
No.
Hot.
I'll burn you, Vinny, honey. No, Mikey, I'll burn you. Blow it out. Blow it
What a
out.
crazy cracker.
Blow it again. Blow it.
Ah, just spit on it.
2, 3. Blow it, Mikey. More, Mikey. Blow it
Oh,
out.
crap. He stood up.
Blow it. Blow it. Blow it. Blow it, Mikey. There you go. Do again. There you go. Oh! Thank you, whoever that was.
Is that you?
Yay!
Was that you? That was Johnny. I was busy trying to take pictures in the dark. You can't see anything till you click. The flash goes off and you don't know what you're taking a picture of. Your battery's about to go.
No, at least I got the pictures of the birthday. That's... Are you ready for cake?
Blueberries.
Mikey, are you ready?
Minnie, are you ready for cake?
Yippee!
The thing is, it's his birthday cake, and he's playing with blueberries.
Come on, I will play with the blueberries too. Something new.
He already tasted the cake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He hasn't eaten a blueberry yet.
But he's pushing them.